Hey everyone, welcome to day number 18 of the 30-day meditation journey. I am so glad that you are here. Thank you for being here. Thank you for taking this journey with me. I am so appreciative. I know it can be difficult, but keep going and it'll just get easier. Promise, I promise. So, again, if you are just joining us now, then please go back to day number 1 for an introduction. Also, I do have those online meditation workshop and self-love workshop. I'll leave the description or the link in the description box below so you can check it out. You have unlimited access to it, and they are pre-recorded so you can take your own time. So today we are going to do a mantra, and it can get a little bit complicated because it is a long one. And this mantra actually um, has to do with Ganesha, who is the remover of obstacles. And so this mantra, this chant, is basically to help with removing obstacles, clearing obstacles, um, with creating success. So we are going to give that a try. I'll leave the description in the description box below. I'll put what it looks like, how to pronounce it, etc. So, because it can be long, but when you begin to do it, then it just becomes natural. So, the mantra is Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. So we'll do that, and let's begin. Of course, get into a comfortable position. You might want to sit up for this one since it is a mantra. And again, just get into a comfortable position. And when you are ready, just join in. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale. And another deep breath in through your nose and exhale. And just breathe normally, relaxing your shoulders, relaxing your mind, your neck. Maybe you want to stretch a little bit before you start. Just relax your body, breathing in and out, releasing. Maybe setting an intention of clearing any obstacles or having clarity for any problems or issues that you might be facing. And whenever you are ready, you can join in with me. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. 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 Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take another deep breath in and exhale. Just allow that mantra to resonate, reverberate throughout your body. And just continue to breathe nice and slow. Continue to relax, to allow your body to release. Now place a hand over your heart. And make a dedication to yourself. that you will always be there for yourself, support yourself, love yourself. Make that dedication and feel that. Commit to it. And when you are ready, begin to bring yourself back into the space, back into your body, rubbing your hands together and placing them over your eyes. Take a deep breath in and exhale. And when you are ready, open your eyes and remove your hands. Thank you for being here. Namaste.